Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? Thank you for clicking on this video each and every time, coming back every week to see what I'm teaching. Well, this week I'm teaching a classic. And as you know, the UC Star Wars is coming up. Some of y'all guys don't even know what it is. And it's all actually what I call it is the Academy Award of Line Dancing, where they nominate choreographers and dances, popular dances that's done in the line dance community. So it's award. They award those individuals that create dances. Okay, and it is in January at Baltimore. It's called the UC Star Wars. So this dance. So they do the classics, they do the ones that are nominated and win the award, and so I'll be teaching some of those. So this is called Think Twice. It's really not hard at all. It's really a beginner dance, but the timing is just the timing that can be a little challenging for your beginners. So instructors, it's the perfect dance for your beginners because eventually they're gonna have to learn timing. It is a two-wall dance, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in dancing to the music, remember I'll post it at the end of this video. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in coming to some line dance classes, please call 504-251-0674. So guys, we're probably going to do this dance at the NOLA Southern Experience. That's right. What I'm talking about the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. Why haven't you registered? And for those who have, thank you very much. I see your registration and I see you booked your hotel. And if you haven't, you got registration, you didn't book your hotel, it's time to do that. If you got your hotel and didn't book your registration, you need to do that. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com to read about the details and also to book your room and to register. So guys, let's go. Remember, this is a two-wall dance. Let's stand right here on this side of the room, facing in this direction, okay? So I'm gonna do a step chevron. Is on the right. So my weight is on the left and I'm gonna step on the right. Right, left, right, kick, tap, out. Step chevron. Right, left, right, kick, tap, out. So it's almost like a step, sailor, kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Okay? Step chevron. Right, left, right, kick, tap, out. Okay? So my right heel is up. So all I'm going to do is go up, side, up, side. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's add that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, chevron, kick, tap, out, up, side, Now I'm going to do go up and I'm going to pivot. Quarter turn to my left. Step, pivot, and I'm going to do a coaster step on the left. Coaster, scuff, tap, tap. That's the challenging part right there. Coaster, scuff, tap, tap. So I did step, pivot. So it's on the right. Step, pivot. On the left, coaster step. Coaster, scuff, tap, tap. So, coaster, scuff, tap, tap. You're going to have to do that scuff. Coaster, scuff, tap, tap. From here, you're going to go up 4 times. Right, left, right, left. Easy enough. Easy enough. Okay, so let's do it again from the top. Step, chevron. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, chevron, kick, tap, out, up, back, side, step, pivot, coaster, scuff, tap, tap. 3, 4, right, left, left. So let's count it out. After that step, chevron, scuff, tap, tap, I'm going to count to tell you how long you're going to hold before you walk up, okay? So let's go from the top with the step, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. So when you do left coaster stuff, tap, tap, 6, 7, 8. So you're gonna hold that for 3 beats, okay? Then you move up on the right, left, right, left. From here, you're gonna do a cross and kick. Right over left, left over right. Right, left, kick, right, left, right, kick, left, tap, 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 tap. So you do a cross and kick, right over left, left over right, and then you're gonna move forward with the right shoulder coming forward, quarter turn, right, 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 right. And paddle for 4. Quarter turn, you're at your second wall. Okay, 2 wall dance. That is the dance. Let's put it together. So, I'm going to count, and it's going to let me know if I miss a step with my count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step sail. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got 4 8 counts out of that dance. So that let me know I'm at my second wall, and it's a 32 count dance. So I didn't miss a step. So that's why I count, and that's why I say call out the steps. Okay, from this part, wall again, step, Cheyron, kick, tap out. 5, 6, 7, and step, Cheyron, kick, tap out. Up, back, step, pivot, coaster, stuff, tap, tap. 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross the kick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Paddle 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? When I do that, my weight is on my left, and I paddle with my right shoulder coming forward, making a quarter turn. From here, I just start the dance over, doing the same steps. Step, Cheyron, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, Cheyron, kick, tap, out, up, back, step, quarter, scuff, tap, tap, 6, 7, 8, up, 1, 2, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, cross and kick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, paddle. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the dance. Think twice. And I hope you think twice about coming to the NOLA Southern Experience. Ask around. Ask some people, like, have you ever been to the NOLA Southern Experience? We're going to take care of you. We're going to have a wonderful time. July the 11th through the 14th, 2024, the NOLA Southern Experience. Come check it out, guys. I hope to see you there. That's it. Think twice, line dance. Remember, I'm going to post the demo. Let's dance together. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.